So this job today, we've got to remove this piece of glass, and then the customer's having a large cat flap in there. So we're going to swap out this bit of glass and then put a new bit in with a hole already cut out, and then install the cat flap. And this is the cat flap that we're installing today. So it's quite a large cat flap. Yeah, so that's the old unit out, new unit ready to go in. So with opening doors and like side hung windows, you need to do what's called toe and heel, which is to do with the packing. So the weight of the squareness of the glass. So you pack the bottom corner near the hinge, and then the top corner up there, and then it uses the weight of the glass and the squareness of the glass to lift up this side of the frame, so it doesn't like catch here, because just normal gravity would obviously want to make it come down at the front. So you pack here and you use the weight to push down onto this corner and then prop up with that on that corner to keep everything nice, square and level. So this is where we pack the top corner on the opposite side and then the bottom corner on the hinge side, and then that creates that adjustment to where it doesn't sag down. And there we go, that's all installed. Just need a bit of a clean up on the glass. And there we go, all finished. Glass all cleaned up. Very large cat flap.